Okay, my dragons, come attention, and bow. So we're gonna start today with a high knee skip. Okay, but let's do a quick drill here to get warmed up for that. So we're gonna start in our fighting stance. I want you to simply bring your knee up and step forwards. Knee up and step forwards. And if you notice when I'm doing this, my knee is touching my elbow. So really work on getting that knee up high. Okay? So make sure you guys are practicing this at home. Again, knee up and step forwards. Knee up and step forwards. Knee up and step forwards. Just like that. Okay, I want you to practice that for about 2 minutes on your own. Come back and we're gonna get started on those high knee skips. Okay guys, let's go on those high knee skips. So we're basically doing the same thing, but as we bring that knee up, we're gonna do a little hop, a little jump. So we're gonna hop up, hop up, hop. And again, we're gonna bring that knee, and again, see how I'm bringing that knee all the way up and touching my elbow? That's how high we're gonna bring that knee up. Okay, don't just bring it up a little bit like that. Get that knee up really high. Okay, so let's do a couple more. Up, up. Okay, so my dragon, what you're gonna do now is practice that again. About 2 minutes, and then come back and I got one more warm-up drill for you guys. Okay, get started. So our next drill are called running knees. Okay, and basically what you're gonna do is, it's like you're running in place, but you wanna get your knees up a lot higher than you normally would. Okay, so let me demonstrate here. So you're basically gonna get those knees up really high, and you're gonna do this for 10 seconds at a time. Okay, so you're gonna go 10 seconds, non-stop. Let me give you a side view so you can see how this is done. Again, you're gonna go like this for 10 seconds. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna do 6 rounds of that. So 10 seconds, take a little break, 10 more seconds, 6 times, okay? So get started on those running high knees. Begin. So we got a couple of kicks we're gonna practice here, and then we're gonna eventually put these into a combination. But first thing I wanna do is review these kicks. So first kick is the sliding roundhouse kick. Now I got this pad here I'm gonna be kicking. If you don't have anything to kick at home, just kick in the air, it's fine, okay? So choose which leg you wanna kick with, okay? So I'm gonna put my right leg in front. So on that sliding roundhouse kick, I'm gonna slide the feet together, bring that front leg up, kick, okay? And then I'm gonna come on back. Okay, so again, I'm gonna slide together. Now make sure when you're doing this, you don't cross the feet. A lot of students, when they first learn this kick, they end up crossing either behind or in front. You want to slide the feet together. Okay, so again, slide, kick. Okay, again, we want to slide the feet together, bring that front leg up, kick. Okay, I'm going to do one towards the camera here so you guys can see. Okay, now look at my stance, how my knees are bent. Okay, we don't want to have those legs straight when we slide up. We want to have the knees bent. We're going to slide the feet together, raise that leg, kick. Okay, again, slide, raise that leg, kick. Okay, so that's going to be your sliding roundhouse kick. You guys are going to practice that about 2 to 3 minutes. Make sure to practice both legs. Okay, so a little bit of time on each leg. Get going, you guys. Okay, so the next kick I wanted to work on is really similar, but it's the jumping roundhouse kick. Now it's similar because it's with the front leg, it's with the same leg. But instead of sliding together, you take that back knee and bring it up. Okay, so I'm gonna bring that back knee up. Then I wanna jump roundhouse kick with that leg. Again, okay, look at my stance. Knees are bent, I bring that back leg up, I'm gonna jump and roundhouse kick. Okay, so let me do one facing the camera here. Again, instead of sliding together like we do on a sliding roundhouse kick, okay, that back knee comes up. I'm gonna jump and throw that roundhouse kick with the front leg. Now you can see how my kick is coming across like this. That roundhouse kick attacks the side of the pad. Okay, we're not hitting the front. You know, if we did like a front kick or a side kick, we'd be hitting the front of the pad. We want to attack from the side of the pad. Okay, so we can work on those jumping roundhouse kicks. 2 to 3 minutes. Again, make sure you're practicing both sides, okay? Get going. So the final thing we're gonna do here with this kick is we're gonna combine both kicks. Now you're gonna do the sliding round followed by the jump round as quick as you can. So it's gonna be like a little combination, okay? So I'm gonna demonstrate here. So you wanna go slide round, jump round, and then switch feet. Okay, and just take a little break in between. We're not trying to do, a bunch of them in a row. We just want to do the 2 kicks fast and then pause for a second. So now I do it on the other side, slide around, jump around, and then switch. Okay, and take a little break. Again, I want to slide up, kick with the right, and notice how I come back. Then jump kick with the same leg. Okay, so it's going to be right, then I switch. Okay, now I'm going to go left, left. I'm going to slide left and come back, jump left. Okay, so that's going to be the combination you're going to practice on. Slide round, jump round. We're putting both kicks together into a combination. Practice 2 to 3 minutes, and that's it, you guys. Then when you're done with that, we're going to move on to our form for the day. Okay, get going. Okay, my dragon. So the form that we're working on today is called 24A. Hopefully you guys remember from last week when we worked on this. Okay, well I want to review this form, make sure you guys all got it, because this is how you guys work on your testing material. Okay, so we start the salutation. Now the first move is a fighting stance. We step back, fighting stance. Number 2, back fist. Now number 3, I'm going to lunge forward and jab. Okay, so let me do this facing backwards. This is probably going to look a little more normal for you guys. Okay, it's probably the way that you're facing at home. So I'm starting at salutation. Okay, first I step back with the right leg, fighting stance. Next, with that left hand, I throw the back fist. Notice how the back fist comes across. And now I'm going to lunge forward. To lunge, I need to push off my back leg and jab. Okay, now a common mistake people will do is when they lunge forwards, they actually step forwards. We're not stepping forwards. Okay, that back leg doesn't come in front, it stays behind me. I just push myself forwards. Okay, now the next one is called the turn and shout. So I'm going to turn my head and shout. I'm going to face this direction up. Okay, and then with the right hand, back fist. Now the right hand again, I'm going to lunge, jab, and then we do another turn and shout. So I'm going to turn and face this way and shout. Okay, I'm going to give you a side view to watch here. So we're at salutation. Okay, so again, I step back with that right leg first, fighting stance. Next, I do a back fist. Okay, then I'm going to push forwards, lunge, jab, turn and shout. With the right hand, now make sure your right hand is in front. Back fist, and lunge, jab, and turn and shout. Okay, let's do that again, you guys. I'm gonna face forwards this time. Okay, so we're in that salutation. So number 1 is a fighting stance. Number 2, back fist. Number 3, slide jab. Okay, turn and shout. Back fist, jab, turn, shout. Okay, guys, let's do it again. I'm gonna face this side now. Okay, hopefully we're getting a little bit faster and you guys are memorizing this a little bit better and you can keep up with me. Okay, I'm going to try to go a little faster this time. Okay, number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's go one more time. I'm facing backwards. Again, you're kind of trying to keep up with me. Okay, this time I'm not going to count. I'm just going to do the form. Okay, and you have to follow along with me. See if you can be faster than me. Okay, ready? Okay, my dragons, I want you to practice that form about 3 to 5 more minutes. Practice that, make it strong, make sure you're focused and working hard. Okay, get going. Okay, everybody, we're going to finish off today's class with a little challenge here. Okay, this is going to be a physical challenge. You're going to do 1 minute of squats, 1 minute of push-ups, and 1 minute of sit-ups. Now, you don't have to do them all back to back to back. You can take a rest in between. And what I'm trying to get you to do is see how many you can do in that 1 minute. okay? If you get a little tired, you can rest, okay? But see if you can try to go continuously, even if your pace is really slow. So let me demonstrate a couple exercises to make sure that your technique is proper, and then I'll let you guys go and finish off your class with that physical challenge. So for your squats, remember, we want to have our hands on our collar. This just helps keep our back a little straighter. Now when you're doing your squats, remember to look up, okay? If it helps, look at the ceiling, and you want to squat to get your elbows down to your knees. That's how low you want to go, okay? When we get a little tired, sometimes we don't go as low. I'd rather you take a little rest, get your energy back, and then make sure you go all the way down. Look how low I am. Those elbows are touching my knees. My eyes are up. Okay, it doesn't have to be like this up, but just kind of looking forwards, okay? So that's gonna be your squats. Remember, you're gonna do 1 minute of that. I think you guys pretty much know how to do the sit-ups, but let's just go ahead and go over it real quick. So for those sit-ups, ideally you wanna keep your hands up, okay, like this. This helps you to, have a better fighting stance. If you have to, if you're having a little trouble with your sit-ups, grab your pants and you can pull yourself up, okay? And remember, you'll do 1 minute of that. And then finally, with our push-ups, it's okay if you do them on your knees, but make sure that when you do them on your knees that you're getting your hips flat, okay? You get all the way down, okay? We want to avoid this, okay? This is not a good push position. And if you can, you're doing those push-ups on your toes. And notice how I get all the way down when I do that push-up. Okay, so your challenge, just to remind you guys, 1 minute of squats, 1 minute of sit-ups, 1 minute of push-ups. Take a little break in between, maybe like a minute between each one so you can rest. And that'll be the end of your class. Okay guys, get started with that challenge.